Hey folks, I'm Chris with ALM, here with more digital marketing quick tips. But this episode's going to be a little bit different. We've got a special announcement. Coming up on July 17th, 2020, we're going to be running a very special live edition of Digital Marketing Quick Tips. That's right. We're going to be running a very special Q&A style webinar. Think of the Ask Me Anything interview style back and forth from Reddit that you might see celebrities do. We've got a link in the description of this video where you can submit the questions that you have about digital marketing, about your regular processes, about execution, about sales support, about how to approach and deal with clients. All of those little questions that you might not already know the answers to, or that there's not a full dedicated webinar for just yet. I want to make sure that we do a rapid fire session where I'm answering questions using my decades of experience in the field, and you're able to get your answers for those important questions that you might have. So set your calendars, click the register link in the description below, submit your questions in the description below. We're going to be taking questions live during the session too, but we want to make sure that we have a few in the hopper. So I'm hoping that everybody is going to sign up and join us for this very special live version of Digital Marketing Quick Tips. Set your calendars for July 17th, and I look forward to seeing everybody there. Additionally, if you need any consulting or there's anything that I can help with personally, please email me directly at chris@almcorp.com. Please subscribe for more digital marketing quick tips and more updates about the live session coming soon. Until next time, take care.